Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see no audio output device is installed in Windows 7. Let's fix it guys. Method 1, you just need to go to search menu and type control panel. Click on open it. Select view by two small icons and select troubleshooter. Select hardware and sound option. Select play audio option. Select next option. Follow the on-screen instruction and check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 2, you just need to go to search menu and type device manager. Click on open it. Expand the sound, video and game controller. Right click on the high definition audio and select enable option if available and select update driver software and select search automatically for drivers. After the update done, just close off here and check if the problem solved or not. If not, then right click on the high definition audio device and select the uninstall option and select OK and uninstall the device. After doing that, just to go to start menu and restart your PC. After restarting, the uninstalled device will be reinstalled. After that, you can check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 3, you just need to select the action tab and select scan for hardware changes option and select action tab again and select add legacy hardware and select next. Select install the hardware that I manually select from a list. Select next. Select here sound, video and game controller and select next. Select next again and select next. Select finish. And now your new device has been added. Just right click on it and select the update driver software and select search automatically for drivers. And now after getting update done, just to close stuff here and your problem should be fixed. Don't forget to leave a like guys. Thank you.